Listen. Do you want to know a secret? Move with me inside the strange world of sound, where nothing is as it seems, where everything has its place, and there's a place for everything. And anything can happen. Let me take you on a tour of sound. We have begun. We are now on our journey together. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. No cheating. Where are you? How do you feel? Move with me to another place. Where are you now? And how are you feeling? No time to relax. The world is a busy place. Too much to do. Not enough time. It's much emptier down here, isn't it? Okay, you can open your eyes now. Sound can take you anywhere and make you feel anything. Hearing this, you probably have images in your mind of a baby, all tucked up, cozy and warm. A feeling of contentment. Whereas this evokes many different emotions. Happiness can turn to sadness in a split second. Music can carry your mind to limitless locations and is the ultimate emotional trigger. When you hear this, you might feel a sense of fear. But now, you're in the middle of the Wild West and probably just want to shoot some bad guys. Grab your hat and your whip. We're going on an adventure. But let's quickly stop off for some Mediterranean sunshine. Too energetic for you? Want to be relaxed? I can do that too. Or how about a journey into a magical world of fairies, elves, and goblins? Music is the most powerful tool to alter your state of mind and change your mood. I can take you back to the Middle Ages. I can take you back to your childhood. Or just back to the 90s. Music, effects, soundscapes, atmospheres. They're all different elements that help to make great radio commercials. But more often than not, we need words. Great words.
Because I have a dream. Will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Général de Gaulle, j'entreprends ici, en Angleterre, cette tâche nationale. La bataille suprême est engagée. Paris martyrisé, mais Paris libéré.
Le travailleur français qui habite à la Goutte d'Or où je me promenais avec Alain Juppé la semaine dernière, il y a 3 ou 4 jours, et qui voit sur le palier à côté de son HLM entasser une famille avec un père de famille, 3 ou 4 épouses et une vingtaine de gosses, et qui gagne 50 000 francs de prestations sociales sans naturellement travailler. Si vous ajoutez à cela le bruit et l'odeur,
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
But I want to say one thing to the American people. I want you to listen to me. I'm going to say this again. I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
C'est la première fois qu'on me traite d'atmosphère. Si je suis une atmosphère, t'es un drôle de bled. Oh là là, des types qui sont du milieu sans en être et qui crânent à cause de ce qu'ils ont été, on devrait les vider. Atmosphère, atmosphère, est-ce que j'ai une gueule d'atmosphère?
The right words in the right situation make all the difference. And spoken by the right voice, the impact can be significant. But put the wrong voice with the wrong words, and it's a disaster waiting to happen.
La paix a un prix, le repos a un lieu, alimentation entre nous. Entre nous, là, nous nous retrouvons entre nous chez Maman Solange. On y retrouve
des produits alimentaires, des produits de beauté, de pagnes pour maman.
Une vivette VIP avec de la bière toute fraîche à un prix très bas et unique. Chez Maman Solange, c'est entre nous. Chère maman, allez trouver des produits alimentaires pour vos bébés.
Cérélac, maïzena, Vitasso et Edilé pour le nourrisson.
Entre nous, jeunes filles, grandes dames, pour vous, un rendez-vous mensuel avec des produits de beauté bien traités. Retenez une fois pour toutes. Entre nous, nous sommes sur la route Likassi, non loin de l'arrêt Kaboué-CCA. Entre nous, en rôle de joie. Entre nous,
Boukandika.
Oh dear. Good radio adverts are just a good idea made into sound. The idea develops into a script, but a script is not just made up from words on a page. All the elements we have explored are part of the script. Imagine they are instruments in an orchestra, and you're the conductor. You can use any of the instruments at any time, but you needn't use all of them all of the time. You may just want to use words to tell a story.
T'as des flashs dans les yeux, le hip-hop dans la peau. Ta brune bouge comme une déesse sur un salsa beat. Et tu te souviens des cours de danse à Lyon. Les profs, les coups de gueule et le dance floor du vendredi jusqu'à 1h du mat. L'école de danse brunerie, là où t'as tout appris. Des grands aux petits. T'y connaissais rien mais t'avais le move. Ils t'ont aidé quand tu cherches. Tu trouves. T'as des flashs dans les yeux, tu veux faire des envieux. Hip-hop, salsa, rock, modern jazz, à l'école de danse brunerie. 16 rue Paul Chevanard, à 2 pas de la place des terreaux, à Lyon 1er. Vas-y, n'hésite pas. Et un jour, tu danseras.
Powerful, isn't it? How about an ad that just uses a few words and a couple of sound effects?
Diary of an Ice Cube.
Light on, light off. Light on, light off. Light on, light off. Light on. Oh, light off. Light. Oh, no. Hold on. Oh, let's.
Simple, but very effective.
I just got these glasses. They're real cheap. They fit fairly good. So I got a second pair, even cheaper. And I think they look fairly good on me. Don't you think so?
At London Optical, we think getting you the right glasses is no laughing matter. That's why we spend the time to make sure you walk away completely satisfied.
My mom thinks they look okay.
London Optical, we make you look good.
And finally, here's a situation that combines a really strong idea and is delivered by a great script.
Hi, my name is Jack Shanahan, retired Vice Admiral, U.S. Navy. I believe we can improve education in America without compromising our national security. To illustrate my point, I have some BBs here. Imagine each BB is a nuclear bomb. One could destroy Hiroshima 15 times over. 5 wipes out all of Russia. Now, after using those 6 bombs, this is how many the U.S. has left. By reducing our nuclear weapons, we could save billions of dollars. That money could be educating our kids. Let's get the politicians to talk about the real issues. Call 1-877-IOWA-MOM.
Radio is the creative medium. The opportunities are vast. The possibilities are limitless. Sound is good. The world of sound awaits you.